Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to change your Facebook password. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, tap on the three lines up here. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. And under Settings and Privacy, choose Settings. From Account, tap on Password and Security. Now tap on Change Password. So from here, add your current password. Then add your new password. Retry it again. And tap on Update Password. And like that, you change your Facebook password. Thanks for watching. See ya!